Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show y'all how I do my press-ons and why I may be not going back to the nail shop after we off lockdown. Press-ons are kind of fun, they can look good if done right. And so I've been using Kiss press-on nails, and you can get those from Walgreens or even Dollar General, probably even Target, but I bought mine from Walgreens and Dollar General. So first I just shape my nails and then I buff them, lightly file them. It looks like I'm filing rough, but I'm lightly filing the top of my nails so that the glue and nails have something to adhere to. Then I'm sizing my nails before I get started to cut down on the time, because the last set that I did, it took me way too long. So I'm just sizing everything before I put them on. And then I'm taking some acetone, some pure acetone, which you can also get from like Walgreens, which I got, my husband ran and got mine from Walgreens. So I'm just taking a Q-tip and I'm kind of like shaping the bottom of the press-on to my actual nail bed, because they're kind of squared out at the bottom for whatever reason. I just don't understand it, but I guess that gives you room to shape them how you want. And if you do the acetone and it's still not shaped to how you want, just use the file, because that's what I did for the other nails, because it was just quicker, I think. But the acetone makes it not look rough when you file it. So then I file the inside of the nail, so again the glue and the glue will have something to adhere to. So because if you do it on a smooth surface, it's possible, well, the nails will pop off. So you want like kind of a rough surface so that the nails won't pop off. And here I'm pushing down my cuticles with a nail. I know that's kind of ghetto. That's so ghetto. But I don't know where my cuticle pusher is. I probably threw it away because I had no intentions on doing my nails like ever. But since this pandemic, that's changed, right? And then this glue is sold separately. This is also by Kiss, and it's a brush-on glue. I prefer the brush-on glue versus that little glue that you squeeze down onto the nail, because you can actually make sure that the whole nail is covered, which also helps the nail not to pop off. And make sure you get the glue as close to the cuticle as possible. Avoid the cuticle, but get it as close to the cuticle as possible so that no air can get in and it won't pop off. Because that happened to me on a thumbnail on my last set, and I'm like, well, I don't want the glue that close anyways, but it ended up popping off. So just make sure that your whole nail is covered and avoid the cuticle as much as possible. And then you'll see me out of frame quite a bit here, and I hate when I'm out of frame. But what I'm doing is filing around the bottom of the nail near the cuticle, because even though you size the nail, once you put it on, you may see that it kind of spills over your cuticle or over on the side of the nail, and that's going to definitely make it look like a press-on, and it's not cute. So an e-file would have made it easier, but I didn't have one, so I took this big stupid file and I was just filing around the bottom of that nail to perfect it as much as possible. And then at the top of the nails, they leave like a little piece of plastic. I guess that's when they separate the nails. It leaves like this little piece of plastic poked out. Just file that off at the top. Because again, we giving the illusion that we went and got these nails done, baby. And then I like to file my nails, shape them even more because I want them to be on point, literally, like on point, literally. So I shape them up even more to customize them to me. I suggest you do that because my last set was a little fatter than I would have liked them to be. And my go-to shape is coffin all the way. Coffin every day, all day. Coffin. So I'm just making sure they just really coffin. You know what I mean? Now this ain't bad for a set of nails that I paid under $7 for. I don't care what nobody say. You can be bougie and stuck up if you want to. Like, oh, I ain't wearing no press-ons. Okay. But these nails got a design on them and everything. And I normally don't even go for a design, but these nails got a design on them and everything. And also there are nail techs that will make you some custom press-ons. I know of one in my city who will make you some press-ons. I don't know how much they cost, but you can't beat under $7. So I'm gonna be doing more of these. I'm enjoying doing my own nails. I know it's press-ons, but I'm enjoying doing them. And there's a lot of kids out there that cost more than $7, but I'm gonna try them. Now y'all stay tuned for other beauty videos and lifestyle videos, mommy wife life, and all of that good stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. No, y'all see me later.